All right, guys, my name's Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and we want to introduce this new floor plan for you for 2025. This is the 2025 25Mlx Transcend. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so coming down the off-door side of this Transcend, inside your front pass-through storage is where your battery disconnect and your city water hooks up. Really nice big storage on these Transcends. You're not going to see a bigger a bigger storage unit than a Transcend. Really nice. Coming down the side of your camper, of course, you've got a fully framed slide. This is a through frame slide, so you know, nice heavy slides, heavy duty framework on these guys. Back here in the back, of course, you're going to have where your plug hooks up, detachable 30 amp cord on this, and then of course we have our black and our gray tank where they drain out underneath here. Now let's check out the door side of the camper. All right, guys, so coming down the door side of the Transcend, you're also going to see this side has a big pass-through door. It's something you're going to really enjoy. Inside this box in here is a folding table. So all these new Transcends are coming with plastic folding tables, which is really nice to have for your outside and inside if you need a buffet line. Of course, you get your gravity fill for your fresh water tank on this side. Underneath, of course, is your drain and those overflow hoses. One thing new for the 25 is under the awning, you actually get an LED light underneath this awning. That's new for 25 on the Transcends. You get JBL speakers too, something really nice. Not all campers are putting speakers on the outside anymore. Transcend still does. So you also get it dressed up with a nice glass door on these new Transcends as well. Everybody loves the glass door. But let's check out the inside. All right, guys, so coming inside your camper, the first thing you're going to see is this nice hanging closet. You've got a shelf, you can remove it. It's got a hanging bar, so really big closet coming in. You've got two drawers down with a little nook cubby. But look at this side. So you actually get a countertop with drawers, an angled shoe rack so you can put your shoes down there. Everybody loves the dog bowls. You actually get dog bowls in this camper. So really nice area just to come in, throw your keys down, throw those dog leashes down, your flashlights, all that stuff. You got drawers and space to put all that. Right above here, of course, is all your controls. You got light controls for the ceiling lights, that exterior light for the awning, sliding awning controls, tank heater controls, all that's right there for you. Very convenient as you come in the camper. You're also going to see a dinette coming down through here. This dinette does make a bed, so we can take that down for you and show you the bed. In the X models, no TVs included, but you've got space to put a bigger TV in here. Really nice. Of course, it's right across from your theater seating, which in these 2025s, your theater seating is now powered in, powered out. So you're going to really like having the push button in and out. You get a 12-volt refrigerator. All right, on your 12-volt refrigerator, it is side by side, and then you have the chest freezer down. So lots of space in this refrigerator freezer combo here for you. You're going to really like this guy. Good flow to the kitchen. From the living room, microwave, stovetop, look at all that counter space. You're really going to enjoy this camper for entertaining. Now let's check out the rest of it. All right, guys, so in the back of the camper, you get this nice corner sink area. I mean, look at all this counter space that Grand Design gives you in this floor plan by putting the sink in the corner. You get big cabinets over top. I mean, this cabinet goes all the way to the corner. Plenty of places to put everything you want to take with you, right? Magnet catches on all your doors, real wood cabinetry. Right off of the kitchen, the sink, you're going to get a bathroom. Now, the bathroom's got a pretty nice stand-up shower in it. You get a little nice sink, vanity, mirror, and then toilet. So in the front of this floor plan, you get a really nice bedroom, right? So you get a full residential queen bed. That's one thing really nice about Transcends too, is they give you full residential mattress size. You get hanging wardrobes on both sides. You get a pocket door that's going to close everything off. But look at this space in here. You get little cubby holes behind the mattress with USB and a plug-in for all your phone charging, lights, and everything else you want up in there. You do have a push button up top, which is really nice. Shelving all the way across. Couldn't be more happy with how this bedroom looks. And then of course you get the storage underneath. Everybody loves a big box underneath their bed to put all their other stuff that they want to take with them. So this bedroom's kind of got it all for you. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this 2025 25MLX Transcend, give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com. We can't wait to make you part of the family.